Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can use the additional materials to make your edit um, more interesting in the CapCut app. So, which is the stock videos, how you can use the stock videos in the CapCut apps. Okay, you can tap in your project and you can find the stock videos here. So, okay, so here you can choose the video elements um, that you might need. So this has been provided by CapCut, especially for its users, and I think to make it easier for us to make more interesting edits. So many options for the uh, stock videos by CapCut here. Okay, that's you can select this one. For example, I select this green screen video and just click edit. Okay, that's it. Just editing the video. Okay, that's how you can use the stock videos in the CapCut apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.